install the LED light is to actually use the factory wiring harness. You want to make sure that you retain the end that actually clips to the body harness. This end actually gets removed. Peel back the wiring loom and then cut off the connector. I like to reuse the loom, so I pre-measure how far back I need to cut the wiring. Strip the wires. And now is a good time to plug it into the vehicle and check to make sure which wire is power and which one is ground. Make sure they stay separated so you don't ground out and pop a fuse. Alright, so now we know our white needs to go to black. Move the harness. You can use a couple butt connectors. We like the heat shrink kind, a little bit better seal, or you can solder them. Those cool off a little bit. And be sure to slide your rubber grommet back over the light again. And then recover everything with the factory loom. Some electrical tape on the end will keep the loom from coming off. Now your wiring's complete. It's ready to install into the Jeep. When you're installing one of the marker lights, it's a good idea to put a notch into the inner fender to give the wiring a good place to run. Go ahead and feed the light in from the back side, and then also the grommet to mount it. Pull the grommet back through into the flare, and then slide the light into it. And then run your wiring up through the notch. And then connect it back into the body. Tuck the excess wiring back behind the inner fender. And check it.